We also want to be able to solve logarithmic equations. And so we're going to solve logarithmic equations using the definition. Basically, take a logarithm and rewrite it as an exponential. So remember, this is our definition here. Log base b of s equals c is the same as b to the c equals s. So what we're going to do is we're going to take each of these logarithms and write it as an exponential. What I want you to notice is that you need the left-hand side to just be a log. If there's other stuff in the way, you have to isolate it first. Okay, so in this example, we see log base 3 of x minus 5 equals 4. So what we can do is we can say 3 to the 4 equals x minus 5. 3 to the 4 is 81 equals x minus 5. Add 5 to both sides. X equals 86. So the solution to this logarithmic equation is x equals 86. You could check your answer in your calculator and make sure that it gives you the right answer. Okay, notice in this one that the minus 2 is not inside the log. So before I can apply the rule, I need to add 2 to both sides. Log of x equals 2. Also, there's no base here, but if you remember, when there's no base and it's a log, it's the common logarithm, base 10. So we can rewrite this as 10 to the 2 equals x, or 100 equals x. Here's another one. We have a whole bunch of stuff inside the log. This is the natural logarithm. The natural logarithm is base e. So when I use the definition, I say e to the 0 is 2x minus 1. E to the 0 is 1. Add 1 to both sides. 2 is 2x. Divide by 2. And we get x equals 1. Okay, in this next example, again, this 2 in the front is sort of getting in the way, right? I can't apply the definition until I get rid of that 2. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and it says log base 5 of 3x equals 2. Now I'll use the rule. 5 to the second equals 3x. 5 to the second is 25. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 25 over 3. Okay, one more example. I want to get this logarithm part all by itself. So I'm going to subtract 5 to ln x is negative 1. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Ln x is negative 1/2. Remember, natural log is base e. So when I rewrite this, I get e to the negative 1/2 equals x. I could approximate that in my calculator if I wanted to, but I can just enter my answer just like that, e to the negative 1/2. So that's using the definition of a log to solve a logarithmic equation.